Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see the quick unboxing of MacBook Pro 14-inch model with M2 processor that Apple just released. A friend of mine bought it from Apple India website, and inside the box you can see it has minimal packaging, the power cord and separate cardboard box with instruction manuals and the Apple stickers. Below that we can see the 97-watt adapter, the power brick adapter. He actually ordered it separately by paying 1,700 rupees extra on while placing the order at Apple India website. By default we get like 65-watt adapter, and this one is 96-watt adapter. And let's quickly see the length of the cable. As you can see, it's placed perfectly within that paper cover, and here it has adequate length. And let me be quiet for a few seconds so that we all can enjoy the unwrapping sound. As you can see, it is the exact same as last year's model, and he did little customization while ordering his MacBook Pro. This one has M2 Pro processor, 10-core CPU and 16-core GPU, which is the base variant, but he upgraded the storage to 1 TB SSD from, instead of picking up the default 512 GB, and it has 16 GB RAM. For his usage, the 16 GB RAM itself sufficient is what he felt, so he went with this one. For the 1 TB SSD, the read and write speed is 6181 for the write, and the read almost reaches sometimes up to 5000 Mbps, and right now you can see it is 4220, so it fluctuates kind of. And to avoid those confusions between the 1 NAND chip and 2 NAND chips and the speed related issues, he went with 1 TB SSD for long-term usage. And here the display is gorgeous 1600 nits brightness display, and by default it operates with 1000 nits and ProMotion 120 Hz display, so it will be amazing, so smooth while working on. And the MagSafe connector is still there. That is really a happy news. I like the MagSafe more than the USB-C. And the MacBook Pro 14-inch contains one HDMI port, 3 USB-C ports, which is also Thunderbolt 4 ports, and one SD card slot for photographers and videographers to transfer their footage from cameras with their editing works with Final Cut Pro or any other application. The price comes at 2,19,900 as per Apple India website for regular customers. He purchased it with student discount, so he paid 2,04,600, and plus he paid around 22,000 extra to get the Apple Care Plus, so that he can have complete peace of mind for the next 3 years. Don't forget to like. Thank you and have a wonderful day.